Gordon at the back.
Can you say choo choo? Okay, give him Gordon. No, I think he wants Gordon. That's Percy. Who are you going to give him? He doesn't want Percy. He wants Gordon. I don't think he wants him. He wants Gordon. Okay, Pierce?
Yeah?
Who are you going to give Seth? Either Thomas or Gordon? Which one? Thank you. Good job, Pierce. That was really nice. Nice. Nice.
What did Seth say?
Seth said nice. Thank you, Pierce.
Thank you.
Thank you. So you're welcome. Can you show me your nose?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, nose. That's right. Where's Pierce's nose? Pierce, where's your nose? Yep. There it is.
Me.
Can you give him a hug? Can you give Seth a hug? Aw, thank you. Elizabeth. Hi.